Article 15. The Family. 1. The state recognizes the Filipino family as the foundation of the nation. Accordingly, it shall strengthen its solidarity and actively promote its total development. 2. Marriage, as an inviolable social institution, is the foundation of the family and shall be protected by the state. 3. The state shall defend 1. The right of spouses to found a family in accordance with their religious convictions and the demands of responsible parenthood. 2. The right of children to assistance, including proper care and nutrition, and special protection from all forms of neglect, abuse, cruelty, exploitation, and other conditions prejudicial to their development. 3. The right of the family to a family living wage and income. And 4. The right of families or family associations to participate in the planning and implementation of policies and programs that affect them. 4. The family has a duty to care for its elderly members, but the state may also do so through just programs of social security.